Good afternoon. Welcome to the Green Garden. Do you have a reservation for today?
Good afternoon. No, I do not have a reservation. Do you have a table for one person near the window?
Let me check my book. Yes, we have a very nice table over there by the window. It has a lot of natural light. Is that okay for you?
Oh, actually, it is a bit too sunny there. I am worried about the heat. Can I sit at that table in the corner instead? It looks much cooler.
Of course. You can sit anywhere you like. Please follow me. Here is your menu. Can I start you off with something to drink while you look at the food menu?
Yes, please. It is very hot outside today, so I need something very cold. What do you suggest?
We have cold iced tea with peach, fresh lemonade, and different types of fruit juices. Our lemonade is very popular because we make it with fresh lemons and a little bit of honey.
The lemonade sounds perfect, but I have a question. Is there a lot of sugar in the lemonade? I am trying to eat less sugar this month.
We add a little bit of honey, but I can ask the bar to make it with no sugar or honey at all if you prefer.
Yes, please. I would like a fresh lemonade with no sugar and lots of ice, and also a bottle of sparkling water.
Very well. One sugar-free lemonade and one bottle of sparkling water. I will be back in 2 minutes. Here are your drinks. Are you ready to talk about the appetizers, or do you want to wait for a friend?
No, I am eating alone today. I want to try an appetizer. Can you tell me about the chef's special salad?
Certainly. The chef's special salad has many ingredients. It has fresh spinach, sliced strawberries, walnuts, and goat cheese. It is served with a balsamic vinegar dressing on the side.
That sounds interesting, but I am allergic to nuts. Can the chef make the salad without the walnuts?
I am very glad you told me. Yes, we can definitely remove the walnuts. We take allergies very seriously here. Would you like extra strawberries instead of the nuts?
That is a great idea. I love strawberries. I will have the salad with extra strawberries and no nuts.
And for your main course, have you decided what you would like to have?
I am looking at the fish and the steak. Can you tell me how the salmon is cooked?
The salmon is grilled on a flat stove. It is very soft and pink in the middle. It comes with mashed potatoes and grilled asparagus.
And the steak? How big is the steak?
The steak is 250 grams. It is quite large. You can choose how you want it cooked, rare, medium, or well done.
I think the steak is too big for me today. I will go with the grilled salmon, but instead of mashed potatoes, can I have extra grilled asparagus?
Of course. So that is the salmon with double asparagus and no potatoes. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct. Thank you for being so patient with my changes.
How was the salmon? Did you enjoy your meal?
It was delicious. The fish was very fresh and the asparagus was perfect. I am very full, but I think I want to see the dessert menu.
We have chocolate cake, apple pie with vanilla ice cream, and fresh fruit salad.
I think I will have the fruit salad. It is a light way to finish the meal. And can I have the bill as well, please?
Of course, I will bring the fruit salad and the bill together. Do you want to pay by cash or by card?
I will pay by credit card.
Perfect. I will be back in a moment with the card machine and your dessert.